Okay, I guess I'm making another video. Okay, so I'm gonna close that. So last time it ended off, well, I cut out the part, but so I was gonna talk to you about for loops. So a for loop is like this. So basically, a simple one would be for I in range and then 0 to 100. Oh, or I in range 0 to 100. Print I plus plus. No, plus equals 1. And that'll do all the numbers from 0 to 100, not including 100. You can also do, I don't have a good example right now, but so in Pygame, the event loop is often for event in Pygame dot event, Pygame dot get event, or something like that. Okay, my sister's in the background, so anyway, so something like that, but I don't have a good example of that right now because I don't have any like variables. And so you can like use your functions. Classes are a little confusing. Like you can do class A, and you don't need any parameters for there. And then the first one has to be init, underline init, init. It's kind of hard to see the underlines like this. So def underline init, underline. You have to put in self in all class functions. You have to always add as your first parameter is self. Okay, so then I'm just gonna do that and pass because I don't want to do it. By the way, we've got pass, continue, and break. So continue will, I think, just repeat the loop, whether it's a function, whatever. Or break will break out of it, and pass will just skip over it. So it's because if you don't put anything in it, it'll have an error. It's for like if you're gonna like you're working on something and you want to be able to like test out some parts, but you're still working on it, so you haven't filled in everything. You can just put in pass right there. Okay, so wait. So I have to restart the class. A. Okay, so and then def underline init, and this will just run at the when you create the variable. I'll talk about that later. And I'm gonna pass on that, and then you can create anything else like a, and you can add in like self, and then whatever. You can also add that in the init, but I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm not gonna add anything right now, but if you wanted to, it would be self a. I'm actually gonna do it. So and then self dot a equals a. You have to do that if you're gonna be able to use the parameter. And so I'm going to what was I gonna do? So I'm gonna. So then you can be like print a,